On June 12th, US government did something it had never done before in history. It banned an AI model, and here is exactly what really happened. It ordered one of the most powerful model on the planet to be taken offline, and the worst part, overnight it's gone for every user in every country, and 18 days later it's back. And here is the crazy part. The reason it came back is stranger than the reason it was banned, and I have spent around roughly 20 years building tech infrastructure, and let me walk you what actually happened, because this affects every single person working in tech and also using cloud as a day-to-day user, including you. So let me talk about the ban. So what happened? Model is called Claude Fable 5, one of the most capable AI model ever released on the planet, if it has to be believed. On July 12th, US Commerce Department hit it with export controls. That's the same legal weapon normally used for weapons technology and military chips. Why? According to the reports, researchers at Amazon discovered something alarming. They found a way to prompt the model into spotting software vulnerabilities and then writing the code to exploit them. Think about it. An AI that can find the crack in the wall and build the crowbar. Government's fear was simple. In the wrong hands, this becomes a cyber weapon factory. So they had to do whatever they had. They pulled the plug. And it was global. No warning, day one of something that had never happened before. And let's move to section number 2, the 18 days. Now, put yourself inside the companies that depends on this model. Business had built products on it, developers had workflows running on it, and one morning, API errors everywhere. This is the part nobody talks about, the concentration risk. As an infrastructure guy, this lesson I want you to burn into your brain. If your entire product, your job, your company runs on one model from one provider, a single government order can switch you off. That means it's a single point of failure for you. For 18 days, the whole industry got a live demonstration of what that feels like. And behind the scenes, Anthropic, the company behind the model, was running an experiment that would flip the entire story on its head. Let's move on to the next section, the twist. Here is where it gets strange. Anthropic went and tested other AI models, competitor models, the models that were freely available entire time. And according to their finding, those models could pull up the same exploit. Read that again. The dangerous capability that Fable 5 got banned, it wasn't unique. Models nobody banned could reportedly do the same thing. So the government had banned one model for a capability the whole frontier already had. On June 30th, the Commerce Department of US lifted the order. July 1st, the model came back online worldwide, now with a new safety filter that reportedly blocks the specific exploit technique in over 99% of the cases. The ban didn't fail because the risk wasn't real. It failed because you can ban a capability by banning just one product. Let me talk about the next section, what changes now. So, is this over? The answer is no. This is just the beginning and tip of the iceberg. 3 things are coming out of this, and they will shape the next decade of AI. Number 1, White House is now working with AI companies on formal standards for releasing the powerful models. Number 2, major labs are building a sad framework to score how dangerous a jailbreak actually is. So a borderline finding can trigger a global shutdown again. That's the brutal truth. Number 3, and this is my read as an infrastructure and cloud and AI veteran, every serious company just learned they need a multi-model strategy. The same way we learned multi-cloud after big outages, AI just had its US East 1 goes down moment. And let me talk about, and the Fable 5 extension, as per to believe, it shows till July 7. We don't know what happens after that. If you work in tech, resilience just become your career skill. People who can architect systems that survive a model disappearing overnight, those people got most valuable lesson this month. If you are learning cloud or AI right now, you are not late. You are early to the era where this stuff actually matter. I break this down exactly those skills on this channel, cloud, AI, and the career moves that flow from weeks like this one. That video on your screen is the one to watch next. See you in the next video. And before I leave, hey, if you have not met me coming to the channel for the first time, my name is Pritam. I talk about AI, latest tool, productivity hacks. I happen to be a TEDx speaker and author as well, and been with Google for almost 7 years. Thanks for watching and thanks for tuning. As usual, see you in the next one.